Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim, and welcome to another exciting episode of Warli Art. Today I am going to teach you how to draw houses in Warli Art. So let's get started. Draw the two standing lines parallel to each other. Okay, then join them from the bottom. Make a semicircular shape on the top. Okay, just draw the two windows in circular shape and a door. Okay, so this is the one type of house. Now I'm going to draw another type of house. For that we'll draw a rectangular shape. Draw a rectangle first of all. Okay, so this is the main body of the house. Now we'll draw the roof. Door. Okay. Okay, so this is our second house. So friends, our house drawing in Verli art is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.